Anxiety is a general feeling of fear and apprehension about possible dangers. Although anxiety in mild or moderate degree have some adaptive values, it helps to plan and prepare for a possible threat, but chronic and severe anxiety is highly maladaptive as noticed in cases of persons diagnosed with anxiety disorders. Basically, anxiety is divided into three main groups. The first one is generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Second is phobia, and the third one is OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Generalized anxiety disorder may be diagnosed for all those people whose level of worry and anxiety become excessive, chronic, and unreasonable. Phobia means an extreme and irrational fear of some specific object or situation that lead to avoidance of these objects or situations. DSM-4, that is Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, has categorized phobia into three main specific phobias. The first one is specific phobia, second one is angora phobia, and the third one is social phobia. In specific phobia, formerly called as symbol phobia, it is characterized by an intense and persistent fear of specific object or situations such as snake, height, blood, and insects. In agoraphobia, the word comes from Greece, means public places. Certain public places like shopping mall, market, crowded streets, movie halls, etc. People with agoraphobia feel trapped or helpless in these aforesaid places. They generally feel all those places from where they lead to have some embarrassing situation and has to have some escape. Social phobia is a type of phobia in which an individual experiences extreme and irrational fear of social situations. They may have trouble in meeting and interacting with new people, in attending social gatherings, or public speaking. All of these have some cause that is directly or indirectly linked to genetic factors, behavioral approach, evolutionary perceptions, cognitive perceptions, or psychodynamic approaches. Obsessive compulsive disorder is potentially disturbing anxiety disorder. It is characterized by occurrence of repeated, unwanted, and irrestrictive thoughts or images about which is called obsession, performed to get rid of such thoughts, and the compulsion that they feel is they have to get rid of this particular thought, and they get conditioned to it and try doing it again and again. For example, compulsive involves repeated behaviors like washing hands, checking checking orderly, or mental activities